Hey guys, I just got me in a new pocket knife. Check that out. It has a nice leather sheath. It's personalized, has my name on here. Comes with a nice little sharpener here. Use it a little bit, put the edge back on there, keep it sharp. Really nice. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Real leather. Oh, that is nice looking. Personalized on both sides. I'll show you up close here in a moment. Has that Damascus Steel Blade, which basically means when it was forged, different layers are used to build it up. And the design here is to represent the different layers. It's supposed to be real good at holding an edge, and it definitely has an edge on it and a good sharp tip. See how good it cuts this paper here. I don't believe we need to put an edge on it for right now. Really nice little pocket knife. Now it has a nice ergonomic handle with a comfortable grip. It's designed for stability and control. It is rust resistant and it has a long-lasting performance. And it is handmade and it's crafted for elegance but built for endurance. Now my knife here is olive brown, but it does come in numerous other designs and patterns. Each one has its individual look. Now it does have some jimping cut into it. This is for a better grip and more control and less slipping during pressure cuts. Now the blade is about 2 7/8 inches long. The overall length is 6 5/8. Right back here is your release. To release the blade, just push that down and then you can close your blade up. Now on the back side of your sheath, you do have this belt holder right here. You can put your belt in through there, just like so. It's a little stiff right now because it is new, but you get the gist. Tell you what, I really like this knife. It is going to be my everyday carry, what they call an EDC knife. I'm going to go in the truck, and I will have it with me all the time. And when I get out on a fishing trip or whatever, I can put it in the sheath and carry it on my belt. So, really nice. I like this knife. If you're looking for a knife like this or looking for a gift idea for somebody else, maybe a husband, boyfriend, child, grandchild, whatever the case may be, you might want to check this out. And like I said, it's personalized. This is not just run to the store and buy a knife. You can go buy a $60 to $80 pocket knife, and it's just a pocket knife. But this right here is personalized, and that's one of the things I really liked about it. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I like it. If you'd like to check this out for yourself and the other styles, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. So I'm going to put a playlist right over here for you to check out some more things that might perk your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.